to warmly welcome you to today's meeting. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us, and we truly appreciate your presence and interest in our company. And we understand that your time is very valuable, so we will do our best to make the discussion clear, informative, and productive to both sides. Alright, so before we begin, let me introduce our team. My name is Dania Salsabela, and I serve as the Managing Director of PT Swarna Commodities. And joining with me is Ms. Respati, our Export Manager, and also Ms. Zakyah, our Trusted Supplier of PT Swarna Commodities. And we are also pleased and glad to have our potential international buyers here, Ms. Naila and Ms. Ajeng. Thank you for taking the time, and it's nice to see that you're wearing batik. It's wonderful to see that Indonesian culture is represented beautifully. Thank you, Ms. Ajeng and Ms. Naila. And we hope that today's meeting will bring a strong and mutually beneficial relationship for us. Alright, so for today's agenda, we will begin by a brief introduction about our company and our product by the Managing Director. And then it followed by a detailed explanation about our vanilla production process by our supplier. And after that, we will present the export procedures and logistics system by the export manager, Ms. Respati. And at the end, we will open the Q&A sessions for your questions, Ms. Ajeng and Ms. Naila, for any questions about potential collaboration opportunities. Alright, so before we continue, is there any objections? No? Okay, great. So if everything is clear and there are no objections, we would like to proceed with the presentation.
PT Swarna Commodities is an Indonesian export company specializing in premium vanilla beans, sourced directly from local farmers. We are committed to delivering high-quality products to global markets while building reliable and sustainable partnerships.
Alright, thank you for paying attention to our video of company profile. Now I would like to give you further information about our company, PT Swarna Commodities. So PT Swarna Commodities is an Indonesian export company specializing on vanilla beans, which is high quality and premium products of spices in Indonesia. And we focus on connecting locally sourced products to international markets, that is ensuring a quality, consistency, and also professional service at every transactions. And our vision is to become a trusted global supplier of Indonesian vanilla beans. And besides that, our mission is first, we want to deliver a high quality products of vanilla beans in Indonesia. And also we want to support and empower local farmers of vanilla beans in Indonesia. And besides that, we also want to ensure sustainable sourcing of vanilla beans. And finally, we aim to build long-term partnerships with our clients. And what makes our company stands out from other company is that our direct partnerships with local farmers. So we work with more than 15 local farmers of vanilla beans in Indonesia, which allow us to maintain product authenticity and strict quality control of our vanilla beans product. And besides that, we also emphasize a sustainable and ethical sourcing of our vanilla beans that is supported by a reliable and consistent supply. And we believe that our company is worth partnering with because we offer not only premium and high quality products, but also we offer consistency, quality, reliability, and transparency, and as well as a strong commitment to mutual growth that bring value for both our clients and our community that we work with. So that's about our company and our product. Now to get you a detailed information about our vanilla beans product, I would invite Ms. Zakyah as our supplier to explain the cultivation process of our vanilla beans. Ms. Zakyah, the floor is yours.
everyone. Allow me to explain how we produce our premium Indonesian vanilla beans. So, our vanilla beans is sourced directly from 50 partners across Indonesian regions. So, by working closely with the farmers, we are able to maintain the product authenticity, quality, and also the consistency. So, the process begins with cultivation. So, in Indonesian fertile tropical environment, after that, the vanilla's flower are hand pollination manually to ensure the premium quality. After that, once the beans reach optimally maturity, they are carefully harvested at the optimum level. After that, we do a curing, a natural curing in the time 3 until 6 months, and then we also do a quality control and packaging to ensure the safe packaging for export. Okay, so currently we supply a grade A vanilla beans with a vanillin content of approximately 1.5 until 2.5%. So our production capacity range between 150 until 200 kilogram per month, depending on the harvest session. Okay, next. Next is quality and grading. So quality is one of our highest priorities. So most of our productions of grade A vanilla beans, which are preferred by international buyer because of their premium and their strong aroma. To ensure the consistency, we apply several grading criteria. So these include moisture content, length, aroma, appearance, vanillin contents, also defects, which are important two indicators of our premium quality of vanilla. So before we export, every batch goes through a strict quality process. This includes hazard inspection to inspect the best spot selected. After that, we do a moisturized testing to ensure the ideal of the moisturized level. Also, we do a sorting and grading by size, color, and quality. And then the last step is export packaging with a vacuum pack for the freshness. Through this system, we are able to deliver the consistent of quality in every shipment and meet the international market standard. Alright, in addition to the quality, we're also focusing on maintaining the reliable supply chain. So, our farmer network consists of more than 50 local farmers located in several major vanilla producing regions across Indonesia. This strong partnership allows us to maintain a stable supply throughout the year. So, depending on the harvest season, our production capacity range from approximately 150 until 200 kilogram per month, and also during the peak harvest period. We believe that the long-term collaboration with farmers is important for a sustainable growth. Therefore, we implement fair trade practices that support farmer welfare while ensuring ethical sourcing. So, with Indonesian favorable tropical climate and our established farmer network, we are confident in our ability to provide a consistent and reliable supply of our premium vanilla beans for international buyers. So thank you very much for your attention. I will now return the presentation to our export manager for the explanation of export procedure and logistics.
Alright, thank you Ms. Zakyah for explaining our production of our vanilla beans product. Now I would like to invite Ms. Respati as our export manager to explain the logistic procedure and shipping system of our vanilla beans to the market. Ms. Respati, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much for the explanation. Now I would like to continue our export procedure and logistics system. To ensure smooth international transaction, we follow a structured process from order confirmation to final delivery. The process begins with receiving and confirming the buyer's purchase order, including quantity and pricing agreement. After that, our team prepare the products and conduct final quality inspection to ensure consistency. The products are then packaged using export standard packaging to protect freshness, aroma, and product quality. Next, we prepare export documents and complete customs clearance procedures before shipment. Finally, the products are shipped through sea freight for efficient land volume according agreed schedules. And next, to support international trade activities, several important documents are prepared for every shipment. These documents include the commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, and phytosanitary certificate. So, complete documentary help ensure smooth custom procedures and minimize shipment delay. Regarding logistics, we mainly use sea freight for international shipment. The estimate delivery is approximately 3 until 4 weeks to port, depending on destination and custom procedures. We also provide system shipment tracking available to buyer can monitor delivery progress. So that's all for explanation, export procedure, and logistics system.
Alright, thank you, Mrs. Santi, for explaining the export procedures and logistics system for our clients, and also earlier Zakyah explaining about our production of analysis. Now I would like to open the Q&A sessions for our clients, Ms. Ajeng and Ms. Naila, for any questions regarding our potential collaboration opportunities. So, your turn.
Okay, thank you for the informative presentation. Based on the information provided, I would like to ask a few questions regarding your export operations. First, you mentioned that the estimated delivery time is around 3 to 4 weeks. How do you ensure that shipments arrive within this time frame?
Thank you for your question. We carefully coordinate every stage of the export process, from product preparation and custom clearance to shipping agreements. We also work with reliable logistic partners to help ensure timely delivery.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. My second question is about shipment tracking. Do buyers receive updates during the shipping process?
Yes, certainly. We provide shipment tracking service so buyer can monitor the status and progress of their order during transportation.
Okay, I appreciate the clarification. And one final question. What export documents do you provide to support international shipment?
We provide all requirement export documents, including the commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, and phytosanitary certificate.
Okay, thank you for answering my questions. Those are all my questions for now.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Ajeng, for your question, and also Ms. Santi for the answer. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Naila for her question.
While my partner has discussed the commercial aspect, I would like to focus on product quality and consistency. So, you mentioned that your vanilla beans are classified as grade A with a final content of approximately to 2.5%. How do you ensure that this quality remains consistent across different harvest seasons? Alright, thank you for your question. So we ensure the consistency by applying a strict quality control procedure in our production process. So every batch is inspected based on the moisturized content, bin length, appearance, aroma, and vanilla content. So in addition, we work closely with our farmers and provide regular guidance to help maintain the same quality standard across different harvests. Okay, thank you for the clarification. So I would also like to know whether your company provides any quality assurance programs, such as laboratory test reports or product specification to verify the quality of final items. Yes, certainly. We can provide product specification and laboratory test report to verify important quality indicators, including moisture contents and fineness level. We also believe transparency is essential in building trust with our business partner. Okay, thank you for the information. So, since your company works with more than 50 local farmers, how do you maintain consistent quality standards among all suppliers? So, we maintain consistency through standardized harvesting, curing, and grading procedures. We also conduct a regular inspection and quality evaluation before accepting products for processing and export. This helps us that all farmers meet the same quality requirements. Thank you for the clarification. So, for the final question, if a shipment does not meet the agreed quality specification, what action would your company take to resolve the issue? So, our customer satisfaction is our priority. So, if a shipment does not meet the agreed specification, we will immediately investigate the issue and work closely with the buyer to find the most appropriate solution. So depending on the situation, this may include product replacement, compensation, or other mutually agreed corrective action. Thank you for addressing our concern regarding quality and consistency. Those are all my questions.
Great, so that's all from Ms. Ajeng and Ms. Naila. And thank you for your questions regarding our company and our product. And also, thank you for Mrs. Respati and Ms. Zakyah for answering these questions. Now, after having a discussion about